Hello everyone, welcome to WinResolver. If Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows device, it keeps disappearing and you are unable to connect to the internet, then watch this video for user-tested solutions. Before I move forward, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. Wi-Fi not showing in Windows seems to be a persistent problem, and so many users have been taking to the forums complaining about this issue. For some, it does not show on the right-hand side corner of the taskbar, and for others, it's either missing in the settings or in the device manager under the network adapters. The good news is, we have some proven solutions that have been confirmed by users on different forums. Today, I'll be sharing these working solutions in this video to help you fix the problem. So let's get started. The first thing you should check is if the problem is with the Wi-Fi hardware or the Windows operating system. For this, right-click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin to open the elevated command prompt window. Here, type in ping space 127.0.0.1 and hit the Enter key. Now, if you're getting a reply from the network adapter, as you can see I'm receiving a reply here, this means that the hardware is working fine. So now we will troubleshoot the problem accordingly. Now that we know that the Wi-Fi hardware is all good, you can try this method which has proven to be useful in most cases. Press and hold the power button for 60 seconds, release it and then wait for about 5 seconds and then turn it back on. If this fails to get rid of the issue, we need to check if there's a problem with the internet connection. So in this case, press the Windows plus I keys to open the Settings app. Click on System on the left, and then on the right side scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. On the next screen, click on the Other Troubleshooters option, then go to Network and Internet and click on Run. The troubleshooter will now start looking for any problems, and if any detected, it will either offer suggestions on how to fix the problem or apply the fix automatically. This method does not fix the issue. You can try another proven method, that is by turning off Fast Startup. Right-click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin to launch the command prompt window with administrator rights. Here, run the command powercfg space \h space off and hit the Enter key to turn off Fast Startup. But if the Wi-Fi option is still missing, there could be a problem with the Wi-Fi driver. In this case, press the Win plus R keys to open the Run console. Type in devmgmt.msc and hit the Enter key to open the Device Manager window. Here, expand the Network Adapter section and look for the Wi-Fi driver. If you do not see your Wi-Fi adapter below this, select Network Adapter, go to View and select Show Hidden Devices. If you still cannot find the device, select Network Adapter, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Now, as you see the Wi-Fi driver, right-click on it and select Disable. Then right-click again and select Enable, and this should get the Wi-Fi icon back. If you're still facing the issue, you can try reinstalling the device. This is very easy and there's no need to panic. So right-click on it and select Uninstall. Now in the Uninstall device prompt, check the box next to Attempt to remove the driver for this device and click on Uninstall again to confirm the action. Now restart your PC and Windows will reinstall the latest driver automatically, and this should fix the issue. Alternatively, visit the manufacturer's website and install the latest version of the Wi-Fi driver manually. If none of the above methods work, try flushing the DNS cache. It can delete the stored cache and restart the communication between your device and the network. For this, press the Win plus R keys to open the Run console. Then type in CMD and press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. Next, type in ipconfig space //DNS and hit the Enter key. As you see the success message, restart your PC and the Wi-Fi option should be back. So that's all for today, friends. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.